Here I stand in front of my residence, and every day there is a deployment of police vehicles near my residence, especially to torture me or to harass me. Here, this is a vehicle which is waiting for me at this point of time, and the government is deliberately trying to anyhow torture me. And National Human Rights Commission, the interesting part is that National Human Rights Commission says that my complaints are pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague. How can my complaints be pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague when I am and see the other vehicle which is coming from here? The policeman is there and the vehicle is there, and the National Human Rights Commission is deliberately trying to project my complaints as pseudonymous, as anonymous. And see, there is a constable Rahul who is standing over there deliberately at this point of time when this person has not attended to my complaints, and I stand in front of Morris Nagar police station and I have complained before National Human Rights Commission, before the Supreme Court. But the commission, this person, I have contacted him so many times, but this person has not attended to my complaints. I am a gazetted officer in Government of India and a whistleblower against corruption, and the government is deliberately trying to project me as wrong when I have raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. And see, certain persons are being paraded in front of me every now and then when I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. The government is deliberately trying to project me as wrong when I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. Since Narendra Modi is the person and Election Commission are both getting caught red-handed, that's why they are deliberately trying to project me as wrong. And I've caught them red-handed while they were indulged in corrupt activities. Here I reside in Christian Colony. This is my residence. I'm living here for the past 14 years, since 2006. And I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India, and certain persons are placed at certain points deliberately trying to harass me. I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India, and the government is deliberately trying to torture me, to kill me slowly by injecting slow poisons, and these things are happening in continuity. Nobody has attended to my thousands of complaints before Delhi police, and despite the fact that my petition is pending in the Honorable Supreme Court and the Human Rights Commission is blatantly lying that my complaints are pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague. I reside here at this address. My name is Ravi. I'm section officer in Election Commission of India, and I reside at this address, A3132, room number 15, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi. And the government has given me a VVIP police security for being a whistleblower against corruption, and they are deliberately, see, this is room number 15 where I reside, and the government is deliberately trying to give me a VVIP security. And when I complain before the police, they say nothing is happening, you are mentally insane just because you raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. And the government deployed all intelligence agencies like the NIA, like police, like Interpol, and all agencies on me just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. And when they are getting caught, they are all deliberately trying to project me as mentally insane. And the National Human Rights Commission is deliberately trying to dismiss my complaints as pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague. How can my complaints be pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague when I'm residing at this address for the past 14 years and my Aadhaar card number is 6631 6374 6127. My passport number is M097864. My PAN card number is AXKPR 1706L. And I'm a gazetted officer in Government of India. my Government of India, the Ministry of Home Affairs issued ID card is this one, which you can see. I am Ravi, Section Officer, Election Commission of India. My official ID number is 1804 000 23273. This is my office, and the National Human Rights Commission is dismissing my complaints as pseudonymous, anonymous, or vague. This is a pre-planned murder of a whistleblower against corruption, wherein all the agencies of government, Delhi Police, the National Investigating Agency, the police, the Government of India, the Election Commission are all involved in this conspiracy to murder me. Narendra Modi and Election Commission are the chief architects of my murder, just because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. Apart from that, I'm residing at this address for the past 14 years, since 2006, and I have complained as a whistleblower against corruption. This is room number 15, building number 83132, Christian Colony, Patel Chest, near Delhi University, Delhi, and I reside at this address for the past 14 years. Thank you.